What is up, guys? So, in case you haven't heard, YouTube changed their policy and they are not cool with AI voiceovers anymore. That's exactly why I'm doing the voiceovers myself from now on. So, yeah, get used to my voice, y'all. Just 4 more steps to complete this project. Alright, let's proceed with step 21. In this one, we're going to use the gap property to give the spacing of 16 pixels between rows and columns. Step 22. Let's smooth out the edges of our cat images a bit by giving the gallery image selector a border radius property with the value set to 10 pixels. Step 23. Alright, so as you already know, we have got 9 cat images, right? Now, if we are working with a 2-column layout, that ninth cat, yeah, it's gonna be hanging out by itself in the center. Kinda awkward, right? To fix that and get it to line up on the left column instead, we need to target the last cat image, which is basically the last child inside the gallery. So here's the trick. We're gonna use the double colon after pseudo element. It lets us stick an invisible empty element right after the last image, so which is after the ninth cat. If we ask what does that do? Well, once we give that empty element the same width as the other cat images, it basically acts like a placeholder and pushes that lonely ninth cat over to the left column. Clean and simple. We are doing this because, remember, we use justify content property to center all the images. So, without this trick, the last image would just float there, all sad and centered. Anyway, let's do it. Use double colon after pseudo element on the gallery, set the content to an empty string and give it a width of 350 pixels. That's it. Step 24. Alright, now it's time to add alternative text to our images. This helps screen readers and also shows up if the images don't load for some reason. They recommend the alternative text be at least 5 characters long, so I'm just gonna keep it simple and go with something like cat-one, cat-two, all the way up to cat-nine. Easy, right? And that's pretty much it. Project is complete. Good job, everyone. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Hope you all like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for upcoming chapters. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.